You've received your mirror kit from the ATVSuperstore.com for your Kawasaki Ridge HVAC. These are the parts you are going to utilize that are in the box. Everything else you're going to discard. Also, I would suggest getting a couple of these fender washers. The size is 3/8 by 2 inch. Those you'll be installing actually on the inside. Kawasaki Ridge HVAC mirror kit installation. Number 1, remove rivet, screw, 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 screw. This one also, these guys here, and then also this rivet here. Number 2, while you're doing that, have one of these guys handy because you want to hook up the top of the inner door to the outer door so it hangs. I'll show you when I'm done. So now I've taken the screws off and the 2 rivets. Now I have access to the back part of the door. We're going to be installing it right here. Just double check that there's nothing in the way. So we'll go over to the front in a second and line everything up. I've already marked it, as you can see, but what I do is I just take the washer and I line it up on both sides exactly how I want it. I take a Sharpie, I mark. I take a 3/8 drill bit. Line it up and just now I'll just clean up the hole a little bit and I'll install the washers and the bolt. So this is what it's going to look like before you install the mirror. You have the washer, the fender washer, the bolt through the hole, and on this side you have the rubber washer, and then we'll be installing the mirror to this bolt right here. So here we have the mirror installed. Nice clean installation. Now we'll just put this stuff back together. We'll be all finished. Door trim is installed. Trim is put back on. And there we have the finished product. Folds up out of the way. Only takes 2 inches when it's folded up out of the way. Sticks out 7 inches total. That's a breakaway. So there you go. That's how you install our HVAC mirror kit from the ATVSuperstore.com. Hope this video helps you guys. Have a wonderful day.